Hey, welcome back. Hope you had a wonderful week. I felt really happy that our prediction went as expected. And this is what I keep on telling you. Follow the levels, follow the pattern, follow the price action. Price action is everything. So if you follow the price actions, follow the candles, you could be very successful. Now let's see what happened the last week and what was our last week prediction. So based on that, we'll go further this coming week. Let's get into that. So this was our last week prediction. So we predicted that this will go till 18,783, and it exactly went very close by. But it went close by, and then it fell, and this is again at now currently at the resistance zone. This is the powerful resistance here, but we can expect coming week it could be a sideways, or there is a chance that just watch the price action. It there is a chance that it may go further down. Okay, you can expect a fall till here, which is 18,400. I have a let's go for a 1 hour view and I'll tell you what is happening over here. If you see here, it is making is clearly showing a downtrend, right? So even if it sustains this one, just watch this one. So if it takes a support over here, there's a chance that it may bounce till 18,600 back again. So there are two levels. Just imagine, just watch this one. There is a chance that this may come till here, this level, and it will bounce to make another shoulder. What will happen is this will become your head and shoulder pattern, and then you can see it another downwards. So this will take a support, and then what happens? It may break the support, or it may bounce. So which we don't know, but we have to check during that particular day or how the price actions are and how the open contracts are. So based on that, we can predict something. But currently, we have to be planned accordingly. So one thing is this may touch this support line, and if it breaks immediately, there is a chance next level would be this one. Next level could be this one, which is 18,464. So just keep a watch on this particular. This is the very important level. Okay, so this is the very important level. Just keep a watch on that. Otherwise, it is currently looking like a good. It's in a very good position, but the problem is during the uptrend, it's very difficult to predict at any time based on our global market. If anything goes wrong, suddenly it may affect us also. So US market is also is in a, I'll just show you what is happening in the US market. So based on that also you can keep a tab. If I go to S&P 500, see it is how it is currently. If I go for a 1 week, so if I go for a daily, see you can see a VIX over here. That means it is hitting the resistance and people are booking profits. So that is what happened whenever it goes to the high. But it is above the trend line. But this is still it is not broken the highs. It may again fall to make another low. So US market also seems to be a little bit weak. Not weak in the sense it is somewhat in a resistance zone. If you check the Nasdaq, see Nasdaq also is at resistance. It's supposed to go to this level, but it is struggling at this area because it's in a clear in a fifth wave. It's supposed to start the fifth wave, so this is the correction wave in Nasdaq. So if this breaks, so or this during the sideways, our market also maybe uh, may slightly go down or go in a sideways. Just follow the levels. So that is for the Nifty. Now let's check what is happening in our Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also, it is in sideways. We last week itself we predicted that it will go for a downwards or can go in a sideways, and exactly it is what it, happening. What we noticed was it was going on a expanded triangle pattern. Bit of, yeah. So this is our expanded triangle. So it clearly made. So it is in a channel. You can see that, right? It is in a clear channel. So now this is in a E wave. So there is a chance that it could come down further. So as expected, so this has to come down further. It has to fall a bit. Again, it may come to 43,377. Let's go for a weekly timeline. It's an all-time high. It's in all-time high. If it breaks, just keep a watch. If it breaks, it may come till here. So this is the first level and this is the second level you can have. Basically, it is in a uptrend. So there are chances that it can be in a sideways because this is in a fourth wave. Fourth wave is still not yet done. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can expect a sideways probably in this. So it may come till to this area. This expanded triangle. 1, 2. So it may come till here. This is what we predicted last week, but it is going sideways. So at any time, if the global market also weak, there's a chance it may hit here. So just follow the levels. So Bank Nifty is a volatile assets. Be careful. Follow the price action. Bank Nifty, I feel fifth wave is done. It's completed. That is what I feel right now. But there are chances that because the wave calculation can be, everybody can get a different perspective based on certain indicators and certain patterns. You can understand what wave it is and all those things. So one chance is this entire journey could be this entire thing could be a third wave, and this is the fourth wave. And the fourth wave is a corrective wave. This is the entire corrections happening sideways. So now we can expect a fifth wave. That there is another chance to look at this one. So let's see in the both the perspective. Okay. So let's draw a trend line and see what is happening here. If I draw a trend line like this. Okay, it is still in the channel. What kind of pattern it is forming? Any idea? One is it looks like an expanded triangle. Can you see that? It is an expanded triangle. Let me clear out all other lines. So it's an expanded triangle. In the expanded triangle, what happens is it will create a four wave pattern, which is this is 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4. It may come till here. There are chances. Okay. If it breaks, be aware that it may come down. So then you will have a fifth wave. This is another possible scenario of Bank Nifty. So be careful in Bank Nifty. It's slightly like in a confused state. There is no proper confirmation which side it will go. So make sure to trade in a Bank Nifty in a very careful way. So other chances, as I mentioned, it is still in the trend line. So if it breaks this one, it may fall down to this level. So it could be a range bound. Have a safe trading week. Thank you.